I really like this scale. When you turn it on, you're going to have different units that you can choose from. Milliliters, ounces, pounds and ounces together, grams. I weigh everything on this scale: meat, cheese, nuts, liquid, you name it, I am measuring it. Here I've placed a bowl on the scale. You can hit tar and that will zero it out. Now that it's zeroed out, I can pour the liquid in to measure it. Here I have peanut butter on the scale and I'm going to scoop out some peanut butter. It will go to negative, and that's how much peanut butter I took. To turn off the scale, you just hold down the power button. If you turn the scale over, you'll see that there's 4 rubber nodules on the back, and that's to help the scale not slide. Even when I push on it, it doesn't budge, which is super nice.